Sometimes when you're doing electrical at a kitchen countertop where there's backsplash, the tile is actually in the way of the cover screw hole location, and then you can't get your screw in all the way. Well, here's how you fix that. First, let's unscrew the cover plate screw. And next we can use our diagonal cutters or our lineman cutters and just put the screw halfway in and cut it right in half. And this metal is very skinny and easy to cut, well, for most people, unless you're weak. Now just apply pressure and start to screw it in, and it'll eventually catch onto the yoke, which is where the cover plate screw hole is. This is actually very common whenever there's a GFCI plug because of how close the cover plate screw holes are to the edge where the tile is. But also, there's an option too, and that's where you take your wire strippers, and if you look here on the side, there's actually two screw cutters, one for 832 screws and one for 632 screws. And these cover plate screws, they're 632 screws. So basically, start screwing it into the side with the threads, and you may have to adjust the wire strippers in order to line up the hole straight, but it should screw in all the way, as you can see it on the other side. And then just squeeze very tight and it will chop it right in half. And then you're gonna take your flathead screwdriver and unscrew it, because as you're unscrewing it, it helps to clean up the threads so they're not bent or warped. And hey, lastly, would you consider hitting that subscribe button? I've got many more videos coming. For example, if you want to see what I did to this laundry room, click on this video right here.
3, 2, 1, see ya.